Ngabana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Kimani Wamatangi na camanetie na arogomereri a mitaratara ya uthii wa nambere kwaririria njira iria njagiriru makiria cia gukinyaniria uthii wa nambere kauntiini iyo. Oho Wamatangi nendekithĩtie gukorwo na mutaratara umwe uria ukuiga maundu mothe utheri-ini na kuheanwo kuri anyiti itemi othe niguo o mundu akamenyaga mibango iria irathie na mbere.
Can we have one model with all the specs clear, including the 3D impressions and every other aspect of that facility, then share it such that when the engineer, when the procurement person, when the contractor is taking that document, they have a model there and everybody knows.
Wamatangi niugite ati he bata gukambũiga thĩ na kũiguana mbere ya kwambika mibango ya uthii wa nambere niguo mubango ucio ukarumirirwo nginyagia muthia mbere ya kwambika ungi. Akiongerera ati ni gubatie kumenyekaga mawira ma anyiti itemi matiganite niguo andu magakorwo makimenya kiria kirathie na mbere.
Start up anew and say when we sit together and say we have conceptualized that we want to build a hospital in Thika, in the other place, that we want to build an ECD center for the children who are in our less well-to-do areas. Then that is what we have said we'll do. It is what we do it and deliver it and leave that scene and go to the next place.
Oho Wamatangi niugite ati andu ni maratetia uhoro wa mitaratara ya uthii wa nambere gwikika kahora, akiongerera ati kwaga kuhika mihango ino ni gucukagiriria ene kandarathi kungurika na kwambiriria kwaria.
And I want us to have this conversation frankly, because I've come across many incidents where our people are complaining because there is intentional delay, calculated delay that is intended to yield certain results. Because the longer somebody has hovered around your office, the longer documents have hung around some of our offices, then the more likely that the person doing the job, the contractor, is stressed and compromised to a point where he must then speak.
Akiongerera Wamatangi niugite ati aria mabatie guthuriwa mitaratara ya uthii wa nambere